It's fantastic to be here at Fusion Live Dubai 25. We're here amongst so many of our friendly faces, our fantastic customers in one of the most important markets for Keyloop globally.
I'm really excited to be here at Fusion Live in Dubai to share the roadmap of what we plan to deliver and actually launching capabilities that change the customer experience, both from an omnichannel perspective, from a personalization perspective, and really wrapping around the customer and delivering better customer experiences.
At Fusion Live, we're hearing about AI, disruption, and how technology is transforming the way that we all work in automotive.
I find our customer base in the Middle East is highly transformative and really evolving very quickly. They like to service their customers in a really innovative and scalable way, and Fusion ARP is actually delivering that to them.
Keyloop Fusion ARP is the next evolution of our solution portfolio. It will help our existing customer base to have full visibility on their customer and the vehicle, and in parallel improve their efficiencies and the customer experience.